1, 2, 3, 4 till 20, 2021 are written on a blackboard. Some two numbers are selected randomly and replaced with the difference between the two numbers. If we selected 52 and 30, we would erase both and write down 22 instead. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2021. We erase some two numbers randomly. Right? And then the last remaining number, what could this be? We take some two numbers and replace it with a difference. Now, my answer choices are 1, 2, 4, 8, small numbers. I want to eliminate all the large numbers. What will I do? I'll say from 2021, take 2021 and 2020, subtract this, write down the difference. 2019 and 18, subtract, write down the difference. 2021 minus 2020 is 1. 19 minus 18 is 1. 17 minus 16 is 1. 15 minus 14 is 1. All of these are 1. But 2021 and 2020, I'm replacing it with 1. All the way till 3 minus 2 I'll do. I'm pairing it up. Every pair gives me a 1. Finally, I'll have this 1 remaining. And I'll have, how many pairs are there? 2020 numbers I'm pairing up. 2020 by 2, 1010 ones will be there. Nice. So I have 1011 ones with me. Now I do the same process. What do? I take all these ones, pair them up, I'll get zeros. I'll have this one, I'll retain, I'll have zeros 505 times 1010 by 2. 505 zeros I have. All of these are zeros. I subtract, take any pair and I'll get a 0. I'll finally subtract everything, keep on eliminating, I'll get 1 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. My answer could be 1. I can get a 1. The question here says, I keep replacing. Which of the following could be the last remaining number? Could be. I'm not saying will be. Which of the following could be the last remaining number? It could be 1. This is a way of saying it could be 1. I'm trying to find one number. It could be 1. Now I'm going to establish this. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2021. Out of these, I'm selecting two numbers. And there are three ways of selecting this. I could select both numbers to be even, both numbers to be odd, one even and one odd. Nice. Both numbers could be even, both numbers could be odd. There could be one or even number, one odd number. Right? If both are even, the difference between these two is even. If both are odd, difference between the two is even. There's one even and one odd, the difference is odd. So I'm taking these out and replacing it with an even number. Taking these two out, replacing it with an even number. Taking these two out, replacing with an odd number. I'm only thinking about even numbers and odd numbers. I'm not thinking about the magnitude at all. Right? Now what happens to the total number of numbers? Here, I take out two even numbers and replace with an even number, or whatever total numbers I have, when I do this process once, I'll subtract minus one even number. Or if this happens, I subtract two odd numbers and add one even number. If this happens, I take out an odd number, I put in an odd number. Odd number count does not change. I'll subtract one even number. So whatever number of numbers I have, I'll either subtract one even number or I'll subtract two odd numbers and replace it with one even number. I'm taking away two odd numbers and adding one even number. The beauty here, even numbers are appearing in every transaction. And steps of one. Odd number, either the number of odd numbers does not change at all, no change, or it drops by 2. Right? Either the number of odd numbers reduces by 2 or it stays as it is. In 2021, that's an odd number. 2020 by 2 is 1010. So in 2021, there will be 1011 odd numbers and 1010 even numbers. Whatever we do, we'll either reduce the number of odd numbers by 2 or keep it as it is. So from this 1, 0, 1, 1 odd numbers, I'll keep on dropping 2, 2 odd numbers. Or I'll do nothing to it. Think about it. You can never really eliminate all these odd numbers. You cannot. An odd number of odd numbers. You're either eliminating 2 or nothing. It goes down in steps of 2 or steps of 0. It can never go to 0, or my last number has to be an odd number. In the end, whatever sequence I do it in, my last number has to be an odd number. If you look at the choices, I have 1, 2, 4, 8. Even number, even number, even number. Only one odd number. My last number has to be an odd number. That is the one I'm looking for. Wonderful.